Welcome back, Daily Fam. Welcome back to another good one. Evolving Skies versus Brilliant Stars. I believe this is a rematch. Somebody requested this one. Get straight into it. Trying to pull that Charizard. You know what we're trying to pull from there. Any full alternate art out of Evolving Skies would be great. But we want that Moonbreon, that Moon Kitty. Get straight into it. We'll open all 4 packs of Brilliant Stars first, then we'll go into the Evolving Skies. So let's start off with this Charizard pack. Hopefully could pull a very nice card out of this. Brilliant Star has some of my favorite ones. If you like them just as much as I do, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, comment down below with notification bells on as we get straight into it. So you can stay updated with these pack battles. Yes, I do them daily. Always opening packs, always looking for hits, always enjoying pulling these cards with you and all the subscribers else in this YouTube safe place, if you want to say so. That's okay. We got a Magneton. All right. It's our second pack of Brilliant Stars here. Really enjoy opening these packs. Don't know how too much longer we'll be opening Sword and Shield, but I will pull them and open packs and rip packs and take from my personal collection as long as possible. Do it for this community. Love this community. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all very much and the support as we on our road to 1,001K subscribers. Once I get there, you're gonna get a very nice video. Already have in the works. Going for a chase card. Hopefully I'll be able to pull it with y'all together. So we get a stuck card here, as you can see. Okay, really nice V training card into a Garchomp. Okay, very nice Rapid Strike. Your Shabu, very nice there. Love those Trainer V cards there. Very nice card there. Like that one a lot. Kind of like that art a lot. Also, it's one of the cooler arts. Okay. Straighten up these side cards here. So we get into our third pack of Brilliant Stars. Brilliant Stars coming with some heat today. Very nice card there. Like that one a lot. Okay. Cute card for you. Forward to the front there. One of the coolest Patriots I know. Okay. Man, art is really sick. Start you. Fast. Cleaner. Into a star. Okay. Into our last pack luck. What we really want to see is what comes from that Evolving Skies. I do have some videos coming with Evolving Skies and 151 together. Those two are definitely holding out each era of Sword and Shield and Scarlet Violet. If you ask me, feel the same way. You can leave a like, leave a comment, so you get unknown. Ultra Ball, Diddy, Show, Duskull, Far-Fetched, Execute, into a very nice Trainer Gallery, Jolteon, into a okay, very nice Jolteon there. Like to see that. Get him in one of these gold sleeves there. All right. Very nice. Got a Trainer V card and a Trainer Gallery card there. As we get that out of Brilliant Stars. So Brilliant Stars definitely say is here to take on the challenge of defeating Evolving Skies. We're gonna get straight into it with a Umbreon. Come on, we could have pulled this Moon Kitty, get this Umbreon V Max. Let's see, we're gonna pull it together right here. We're calling it. We're calling it right here. And we have a chance. There goes the cue card to it. 4 to the front here. All right, nice and tight. Hopefully we get something more than just a V or more than just a hollow. Get a HNG. Let's charge things up. Right here. Push right. Flex new. Tentacool. Pikachu. See that? Lip. To Stormy Mountain. Into just a hollow Raichu, but that's a very nice Raichu with Rotom in the background. That's a very nice Raichu hollow. Can't complain about that one. All right, get into our second pack there. All right, white cue cards is not gonna be this one, so we'll go straight through. But if you like these, man, you know what to do. Hit those buttons, man. Make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and you're subscribed, notification bells on. And we just keep it going, man. As we grow, we show. If we show, we grow. Get that out of that one. That's fine. Third pack. Really like that. Sylveon there. Very nice card there. Also, I wouldn't mind one of those out of the Evolving Skies. As we got a chance at something. Alright, let's go forward to the front here. Back card looks pretty good. Pretty good. Hopefully it's something that we can use. Okay, right here. Tentacool. War Lady. Bagon. A Woobat. Tentpool. Psyduck. Got an Eevee. Let's see evolve. Eevee. Gotta see that. Into a Flareon. VMAX. Very nice card there. Get it nice and sleeved up. That's a very nice card out of Evolving Skies there. As you can see, very nice. Looked really good on the back. Okay, get into last pack luck here. Nice VMAX there. Nice card to have. VMAX out here are amazing. And just the card arts alone. So you get a white one there. I think I might have to give this one to Evolving Skies, putting the VMAX Flareon. So we know we're not gonna get none out of this one, but let's go through it. See what happens. You never know. Okay. So me personally, y'all could be the ones to say different. Alright. But it looks like we're gonna go with that. Very nice. Make sure you hit them buttons. All of them. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Notification bell on. And until next time, peace. Daily fam. Give you a better look at that. There you go. Very nice. Peace.